started. Do you all like playing ping pong? I know I do. Do you guys like? Well, for those who like playing ping pong, well, that's great. For those who don't like playing ping pong and those who don't know, try to play that game. It's really fun. So, I know it's very fun playing ping pong, and I know that it's gonna be really fun making it too. Making our own ping pong game, you can use any object you want. For the paddle, for the ball, and even the background. So, now let's make it. So first of all, I would choose a sprite. I'm going to choose a ball, and I'm going to choose a backdrop. I'm going to take this, circles. Now, in the ping pong game, the ball always bounces. It bounces in every direction, right? So for that, I'm going to take a one green flag click block, and then I'm going to add a forever loop. But before adding a forever loop, I'm going to put a point in direction on top of that. And then inside the forever loop, I'll move 10 steps, make it a 15 steps. And let's try it. Oh no, the ball got stuck there. Do you know why? Because we didn't add when on edge bounce block. Because whenever the ball touches the edge, it has to bounce back. So for that to happen, I'm gonna add a if on edge bounce block. Now let's try. Look, the ball is bouncing, but it's going only in one direction. So to make it go in different directions, I'm gonna make it 45 degrees. Let's see. Now the ball is going in every direction. Okay. Now for the next sprite, I'm gonna choose the paddle. I'm gonna keep it here. Now, I need this paddle to move with the arrow key, and I don't want the paddle to come up with the arrow key. So, for that, I am gonna go to the events, take a one green flag click block, control, take the forever loop, and then go to the motions, take the set X to block, and then take this. From the sensing categories, take the mouse X. Now, let's see. Look at that. The paddle is going left and right with the arrow key. And it's not even going up and down. Great. Now, the next step is for this ball to bounce back whenever it touches the paddle. So for that to happen, we're gonna go to the ball sprite, and I'm gonna add a one green flag click block, and then I am going to choose a forever loop, and then I'm gonna take this as well. If this, then go to the sensing categories, take this. If touching paddle, then bounce. So we can't just directly put bounce, right? We need to put few steps. So I'm gonna take the move 10 steps, make it 15 steps, and gonna take this turn 15 degrees, make it an 80 degrees, and then I'm gonna make it play a sound whenever it touches that. So let's see. See? It's working very awesome. Now, I'm gonna make an end line so that whenever the ball touches the ground, it's gonna be game over. So, gonna go to the sprite and find a line. And I'm gonna keep it here on the bottom. Right. Great. Now, I'm gonna make it finish the game whenever the ball touches the ground. So for that, I'm gonna go take the forever loop and take this, the if loop, and I'm gonna go to the sensing categories, take this, if touching ball, then I'm gonna make it start a sound. Gonna search a sound, loose. I'm gonna choose the loose sound. Okay, now I'm gonna change it, loose. Now let's see. Okay, that's nice. Now I'm gonna make it stop everything after 3 seconds, I guess. I'm gonna take it at 3 seconds and put this. Okay, it stopped. So now we're gonna add a score. So go to the variables, click make a variable. For all sprites, I'm gonna make scores. Okay, now I'm gonna go to the ball and I'm gonna add the scores. Now whenever the game starts, I'm gonna make it so that the scores should go back to 0. And I'm gonna put this. If it touches the paddle, I'm gonna make it change scores by 1. Now let's see. Great. now your game is ready, and you can add many levels as you want. So this is it. Don't forget to share your project and change this name. Make it a ping pong game. Don't forget to share this and save it. Right. So this is my time to sign off. I would really appreciate it if you guys would subscribe my channel and like and share this video. So see you next time.